My name is Muhammad Amir Azim.
My name is Nurul Ain Rashida.
My name is Aisha Iliana.
The problem? First, the fruit on the tree is too high to reach, making it difficult for people to take the fruit. And last, fruits become damaged when falling from high place. To solve the problem of reaching out a higher place, first thing that you need to do is you can create poles by assembling PVC pipes, plastic bottles, and string. After that, we have to extend the poles using adjustable extender for added length. Lastly, you have to utilize the plastic bottle as holders for the fruit on tree.
The materials we need to make this pole are: first, plastic bottles; second, PVC pipes; third, strings; and lastly, adjustable extender.